Yeah, you made a sale. That's so awesome. Whether it's $5 or $1,000, you should celebrate your victory. It's not easy to be a salesperson, but you did it.
The next step is to delist this from any other marketplaces that you've cross-listed the item to. There's software that can do this for you, but I just do it myself on my phone.
So the next thing we got to talk about is what happens if the same item does get bought in two different places at the same time. This sucks, and it can happen. It is very unlikely, but it actually has happened to us once. So the policy that we use for our business is basically just the honor system, and each one of those purchases should be timestamped. So whichever person bought the item first is the one who gets it, even if maybe we listed that item for a higher price on another platform.
Yeah, this happened to us one time with a Nike RF tennis shirt. And weirdly, it ended up being the same guy who bought the same shirt on 3 different platforms. Maybe thinking they were different shirts? I'm not sure. Maybe he was just trying to like secure his purchase or something. I don't know. He ended up getting the one he got on eBay first, and we ended up canceling the other 2. If this happens to you, you've got to contact the other customer and inform them that the item is already sold, and you have to cancel the order. It's really awkward when this happens and it sucks, but it doesn't happen a lot for us, so that's good.
It may not even happen to you at all, but just be ready to deal with it when it does. After you've made your sale, make note of the profit made on your inventory sheet and log whatever metrics you decide you want, like what was the cost of goods, what platform fees were taken off the top of the sale, etc., etc. And then after that, it's time to figure out how to pack and ship the item.